All right, hello, Facebook friends. This is Mike Martin from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the American Trifive Association California Dream Tour, presented to you by California Car Cover. We just spent about an hour and a half on the road to come to Al Engel's private collection. All the cars are assembled here. We finally got some good weather. We haven't had rain today. We woke up to fog, but other than that, things are good, looking good. So it'll give us a chance to wipe down the cars and pretty things up here. We're all just kind of gathering up right now. We're kind of in an industrial area, so part of the city. So we'll be going in a little bit and checking out the stuff. So stay tuned for more pictures and more videos and stuff like that. This is day 2 of the tour. After this, we'll be heading over to Brizio's garage and checking out some awesome stuff there as well. So stay tuned for that. That'll be later on today. Again, this is day 2 of the California Dreaming Tour, brought to you by the American Tri-5 Association and presented by California Car Cover. This is Mike Martin for Danchuk Manufacturing. Checking in. Stay tuned, and we'll bring you more.